We've got the suspension squat with the elbows out and also with the elbows in. This is a key movement that if you're brand new to training, you want to use this to help work your back. So first one, we're going to squat. We're going to pull. We're going to keep those elbows out, chest out, shoulders back. Watch from using the necks in the trap. Pull right there. So you're going to squat, retract the shoulder blades, push through the heels, elbows out. Second move, we're going to come down, squat, elbows in, pulling the shoulder blades back. Don't let those hips come forward. Don't shrug the neck. You sit in the squat, don't let the knees come forward, hips and butt back, push through the heels, squeeze the glutes. And again, you just need to pull back enough where the scapula retracts, because I don't need to pull those elbows all the way in. Barely, I'm using my arms. It's all in the scapula. Retract the scapula, pull and squeeze. One more time, squat, elbows out, squat, elbows in and squeeze. 2 good moves to use to help strengthen your back, work your legs a little bit, and it'll help you when you're a beginner to suspension training.